21. Fun. Dates. Bestie. Warm-up was okay, I think. Parang gusto ko yung warm-up ko kahapon. Ordered 28.5 ata kahapon. Kanina 28.8. Nung camp, I used to get 28.3. Then, mamaya pa pupunta si Mama. Parang so, I'm gonna pa-video kay Yanis. I'll try to get 59. I hope I get 59. I can. I know I can. I hope I perform well and then perform better later.
Guys, first day, prelim. Okay, we've been training for this. Don't get nervous, keep doing what you're doing. Okay, keep it relaxed and enjoy. Ready? Make it loud, huh? Point swim! Build the last! One team! All fast! One team! All fast! Go to nail! One big fight!
Bye-bye.
Ayun, okay sa'yo.
Hey guys, so one free was actually 50-50, disappointing and good kasi parang pinatarget ko mag-record pero medyo pangit yung first 50 ko, yung turn ko sa first 50, so but yeah, ayusin natin later. Okay, back here sa AV and yeah, I'm just gonna chill. Ilang oras na ba? 10:05. Gonna wait until 11, tas kakain ako. And then sleep until 1. And then 2 p.m. punta ako sa pool to warm up. I'm gonna try not to like scare myself and just do better than kanina. I think I can go faster sa papunta and sa touch. I didn't even die. Napagod lang ako, ganun. I think that's good. I'ma try to like die later. Okay, let's go.
Yung dalawa na? Okay din.
100-meter freestyle juniors girls. Quinto Anika of De La Salle University. Lane 7, Maligat Lara of De La Salle.
has been established in event number 8, the 100-meter freestyle junior girls by swimmer Ortigera Trixie of Akine with time of...
Guys, I just got a best time, bro. 59:02 and a record. Back, day 2. Sorry, not ready.
Hi guys.
Are you ready?
Day 2.
Are you ready? Bye.
Bye.
So, first 100, dapat easy lang ang galaw. But I think I know the pace na. 35-38 for the first 100. And then for the second 100, that's where I'm gonna put like build to max.
Guys, let's put day 1 aside. This is a new day, new opportunity to win. Let's do this, guys. 1, 2, 3. Born to swim! Born to swim!
The 200-meter backstroke girls. The standing UAAP record for this event is 2 minutes and 28.31 seconds. Held by Zoe Hilario of UPIS, established during the UAAP 2018. 19 of University of Santo Tomas. Lane 3, Rehuso Alex of University of Santo Tomas. Lane 4, Ortigera Trixie of Ateneo de Manila.
Back. Second. I think tumaas na onte. Time ko. But 2:30 pa yan. I'm happy with that. Oh, so scary. Like, I didn't wanna die. Parang para sa akin, okay lang na hindi ako like, podium. But, nah. Ang importante lang sa akin is ayoko mamatay talaga. Like, sobrang ang init sa chest. Tapos, I don't know, parang ang helpless ko kapag two-back. But yeah, sabi ko, nung last 50 na pinupush ko yung sarili ko, sabi ko, you thank me later, Trixie, for like pushing yourself. So I pushed myself to 30. And Liv got the up record. Nice one. Tomorrow, 50 fly. 50 fly, 1 back. 50 fly, I can do second. 1 back. I'll try record. I hope I can get record by prelims pa lang. Because I think doable.
Because I realized I was in the second seat, so pressured in number 4.
Speech.
Speech.
I have no voice.
Wait lang. Okay guys, it's day 3. I know it's gonna be a long day, but let's have some fun, okay? Yes. Okay? Yes! Ozigo, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Swim! One team! All five! One team! All five! Continue! One big fight!
Day 3, guys.
Day 3 guys.
Day 3. What are your events?
1 back lang.
1 back lang. No relay?
Bukas, I'll be swimming 3 events.
I save! 50 free, 50 back. Yeah. Today, 50 fly, 1 back. Go.
50 free tomorrow.
Today.
Today, 1 breast and relay.
Yeah. Fly was good. I got best time, but I was like so relaxed before the swim. Tawa-tawa pa ako. That wasn't even my focus kasi I wanted to get a good time sa 1 back. Because 50 fly, then 1 back agad. And then for 1 back, nire-repeat ko lang sa isip ko yung pace na gusto ko, 32-35. I think I got that, but parang hindi ako masyadong happy kasi ang pangit na touch ko. Parang hindi ko nabilang. And then, 107.85. My best time is 107.55. So I was hoping to like get 107 low. Pero yun nga. If I get 107 flat, or kahit 107 low, okay na yun. Let's see if I can push to 106. No, 107.
Check, boys. Women's, diyan na lang. Wala.
Sorry. Huh?
The finalists. Swimming in lane 1, Cruz Style of Ateneo de Manila University. On lane 2, 5, Ortiguera Trixie of Ateneo de Manila University.
Ayan nga, nag-uusap sila eh. Nag-uusap sila.
We would like to inform you that the swimmers at Orpam of University of Santo Tomas II, held by Trixie Ortiguera of Ateneo de Manila University, established during the UAAP 2025. Presenting the finalists. Swimming in lane 1, Manokan Jam of University of Santo Tomas.
Go, Trixie!
Guys, I can't hear anything, but it's the 4th day, and I have 50 back, 50 free, and 4x1 relay. 50 back. I want to get 30 low, 30 flat, and then for 50 free, 27 flat. I have to get that for record.
This is event number 16. Presenting the finalists. Jasmine of the Mayor of Manila University. Amy Elizabeth of the University of Santo Tomas. Rachel Ortiguera Trixie of Ateneo de Manila University. Rachel Ortiguera Trixie of the University of Santo Tomas.
Thing number 5.
Awards area. Amado Albert Jose Bedenza, Kelly de la Torre, Tasha de la Cruz, Tanya Capulum.
We have a medal for each. Lahat meron na? May medal? Isa. Ay, tapos na. Captain, ba yun? Let's go, guys!
about to get slapped on the show? Yeah! Mukbang, no?
Ay, ang soft naman, ano? Bagal naman! Bang! Woo! Bagal naman!
First Ate Nelia.
Si Tanya ba yun? Ah, nice one.
Is this gonna go on your vlog? Hi vlog!
How was your swim?
It was okay. Sayang lang. So proud of you!
Hey! Nakain kay Bubble?
Maririnig ata sa ano.
Sino yung natulak? Si Miguel? Chill ka lang! Uy! Yapin! Yapin! Mag-cheer ba tayo, Ateneo? Go, Ateneo! Who's crying? Who's crying? Who's crying? Ikaw.
Where's you? Ah! Walk done!
Dinner.
Dinner, lunch.
Guys, ay!
Lunch.
Wala, lunch pa lang. Guys, we're having lunch. But we're having lunch together!
Mahihain ka pa rin.
Guys, may joke ako.
Kahit adult ang tawag ko sa kanya. Thank you for all the advice you gave me. Yung mga reklamo ko na it turns out, yun na din yung reklamo mo when you were 50.